So you really want to start YouTube, but you're not really sure what your channel should be about. Well, Team A, Team Action, are you ready? Today, I'm going to give you 12 YouTube channel ideas that you can start right now.
Veena V.
Hello, my beautiful emeralds, and welcome to the show. Today, we're really going to get stuck in and give you some inspiration, ideas of what you can do on YouTube. Now, remember, you are limitless. You have so much potential and you've got so much talent. And remember that you are unique to anybody else out there. With YouTube, the possibilities really are endless. As long as you've got passion, as long as you've got some knowledge in something, you really can create a YouTube channel about anything. Numero uno, books. Yes, if you are a bit of a bookworm, you love your books. Now this is a great one because you can actually start making money with this channel from day one through Amazon affiliate links. So imagine you're doing a book review on the latest business book out there. If you set up an Amazon affiliate account and put that link below, every time someone clicks on that link and buys the book, you will get a percentage of that. So that's a really one to get started with. 2 is all about cooking. This is my nightmare. I don't really enjoy cooking at all, but if you love cooking, start thinking about how you can niche down on that. So don't just do a general cooking channel. Maybe you want to do the best pasta dishes. Maybe you're like me and you love tea. Cheers! I'm only joking, there's nothing in there. But seriously, maybe you want to test out all the different teas available in the world. Maybe you're really passionate about healthy food and you can put together quick 5-minute meals for mums. Remember, with all of these ideas, I want to ignite that spark in you and get you inspired. The possibilities really are endless. 3, money saving tips. Oh yeah, are you good at seeking out that bargain? You've got a great pair of shoes, you've got the latest bag, but you got it for a tenner. If you're passionate about money, a great channel to start is sharing your knowledge with how other people can save money in their lives. Oh, this is a good one. Do you like a bit of a gossip? Are you that person that has a story about every possible single situation that could happen in life? Maybe your boyfriend's ex, fiance, did something to you or whatever it is. You know, those types of things work really well on YouTube story times, telling people about specific things that have happened in your life. 5, dating advice. Do you need some dating advice in your life right now? Have you been on the most disastrous dates? This is a great channel to start because you're creating that personal connection with people from day one. There's a lot of things in life that we don't really like to talk about. I'm very business orientated and I do share a lot on YouTube, but there's certain things in my personal life I don't share, like dating disasters, dating tips. So if you can build up that connection with people, we all go through the same things: getting dumped, dumping people, getting married, getting divorced. There's so many pain points that you can touch on. Again, a great channel to start. A day in the life. You can vlog your life every single day. Now, I already know what you're thinking. Oh, my life is so boring. You might think your life is boring, but to other people, they find it so interesting. Take Gary Vaynerchuk as an example. Every day, he's just videoing his life as a CEO of a massive company. To him, it's probably not that interesting. He's going into meetings every day and meeting different people. But for us as the viewer, it's fascinating to see how the CEO of a massive company operates their business. Number 7, something that works so well on YouTube is DIY channels. Can you make something amazing by simply using a pair of scissors and some paper and pens? Or maybe you've got some furniture in your house that you can re-energize and rejuvenate and give it a brand new lease of life. That's what a DIY channel is all about. Number 8, interior design. When I was younger, I used to change around my bedroom literally every week. Are you like that? that? Because maybe you could set up your very own interior design channel where you're changing different things in your living room, or you're revamping your bedroom and everything you've bought is under the price of £5. Again, you can be so creative with all these channel ideas. Oh, this is a favorite of mine. Number 9, review channels. In life, we all have read someone else's review. Imagine when you buy a Hoover, or whatever it is, one of the first things you do is that you go and check out the reviews about what other people are saying. As humans, we always look and seek for other people's opinions. So you could do a review channel about technology, like the latest phones or software. You could do a music review channel. Are you obsessed with garage music like I was back in the day? Oh my God, do you remember this song, Baby Cakes? Maybe you're obsessed with a specific group. Why don't you create a channel dedicated to that music artist? You could review bags, you could review shoes, you could review pens. Okay, maybe not pens. Oh, sorry, did that make you sad? Okay, you can review pens. On a serious note, you could actually review pens, personalized pens from different suppliers around the world. Number 10 is all about tutorials. Everyone loves a good old tutorial. Click on that card up there. That video was a simple tutorial about how to change an Instagram personal profile to a business account, and that's had more than 100,000 views. So if you're like me and you love explaining things to other people, think about setting up a YouTube channel all about tutorials on specific subjects. And again, remember, your tutorials could be on any single subject in the world. It could be on makeup, how to get a flawless face, how to brush your hair properly. I watched a tutorial yesterday on how to unblock a sink. Tutorials really can be done on any subject at all. 11, your area. Where do you live? Do a dedicated YouTube channel for the area. Why this is a great idea is because people love locality. People love local things. Don't think you need to live in a city for your YouTube channel to be successful. And remember, let your imagination run wild. You can do reviews of your local restaurants, things to do in your local area. Again, don't think your local area is boring. You could review the local parks, any specific places to walk around. Why am I talking like this? It's because I'm getting passionate. Again, a great idea. Do a YouTube channel dedicated to the area that you live in. And finally, number 12 is all about TV programs. Are you obsessed with a specific TV program that is currently showing on Netflix? And why is this great? Because you will get obsessive fans coming to your channel. Are you currently obsessed with, if you're living in the UK, I think there's a version in Australia, there's something called Love Island that's happening. Everyone seems to be obsessed with that program. So why don't you set up a YouTube channel that's specifically dedicated on all the latest gossips, all the latest episodes? You could do reaction videos of you watching that TV program in real time. Whatever your idea is, you really can create a YouTube channel on any single TV program out there. Did any of these YouTube channel ideas help you? If they did, make sure you comment below. And also, I would love to know, what is your passion and what are you knowledgeable about? Write that below, because I may include you in my brand new ebook, which is launching in September, and it's going to be called Successful Video Content Creation. It's only $1.99. If you want to pre-order your copy, I will drop the link below. And when you get your copy of this ebook, you are never ever gonna run out of ideas of what you can do right here on YouTube. There's gonna be thousands of ideas in it. Plus, I'm gonna reveal to you my 5 top content creation tools I use for free that helps me never ever run out of ideas. If you want to get your copy, like I said, a link will pop up now or it'll be below, but that will be releasing in September, so make sure you pre-order your copy. You are a beautiful emerald. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click there to subscribe, and if you're struggling with video ideas for your YouTube channel, click there and you can go and watch that video right now. Team A, team action, team accelerate. I love you.
If all the time, you